Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa Jones and thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. I am about to mix this hair for a client and I want to show you guys how I mix curl patterns. What am I thinking? What do I want to achieve? So this model, y'all know I like to call my clients models. This model is a mature lady and she likes to wear 613. Even if I want to put a little bit of extra color in this hair, it has to go lighter. So the other color that I chose was a color 27, which is basically the lighter color that I can find that I like. Harlem 125 makes a color called linen, and it's almost like a faded version of the 613. I did not like it, so I chose color 27 and Ripple Deep, and this is 20 inches, so I'm going to cut it in half. Items you need are a brush, any type of brush for brushing the hair, a small brush for feathering out the ends, and you need a pair of scissors. I'm going to open this pack. So I know that she likes it a little bit long, but definitely not 20 inches long. So what I'm going to do is cut this in half. I'm just going to take this, pull the ends, help me feather out. Alright, so I feather the ends and I'm okay with it. I'm going to set that down here and do the same thing to this one. This was 20, so I cut it. This is 14 inches and this is 8 inches. I'll put this on the top. I have only 1 pack of this, 3 pack of this. Make sure that the length, I'm okay with the length. So this is my length and this is longer. I have 4 packs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to split this into 4. So I have 1. For the 4th one, since this is 8 inches, since this is 8 inches, I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, and I'm going to feather the end a little bit. Okay, so this one I will use to mix this. Wait a minute, why does it look? This packet looks like it's been tampered with, doesn't it? Why's that hair falling out like that? Okay, so this is 8 inches, which I'll use on the top of her head. And with that, I am going to add the one that I cut in half to this. And this is how I mix my hair. So I'm going to split it in half, and I'm going to put one opposite to the other. I'm going to split it again. This is what I have. That's how it looks. And I'm okay with that. Okay, so when you install this, it just, finally when you brush the hair and the hair is going through, it's like you can't figure out what's what, like what's going on. And that's what I like about mixing curl patterns. When I choose curl patterns, I choose patterns that look alike. I don't go for extremely different patterns because then it's obvious that they're 2 different patterns. But in this case, even though they're a little bit extremely different, I think I can work with it. And so that's why I am mixing these two together. I try to go for, if the waves are big, I stick with kind of big waves. This time I took small waves compared with, and I added it to big waves. And I think I can work with it. That's why I did it. But for beginners, I'll say stick with similar curl patterns until you get very, very comfortable with mixing different curl patterns, okay? Compare this ocean wave with this. Like, you can tell the different curls that are running through this. Y'all see that? You can tell the different curls that are running through this as compared to just this. Secondly, when I cut the ends, all that will be gone. So you would wonder even more, like, wait, what's going on? If you want to see how this whole thing turned out, I am going to link the video up on the right side of your screen. So just click on it and you can watch the video. Tie it here. And the ends can go. So here is the finished look. I think she looks really pretty, and this is how she usually wears her hair. Like, she likes to wear her blonde wigs. So I saw that picture and I basically gave her what she likes to wear, which is blonde hair, but I gave her crochet, and you couldn't even tell it was crochet. She came with her gorgeous lashes on, so I just touched up her face a little bit and did some makeup for her, and I really love how she turned out. She was such a fun model to work on. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you guys will come back again for another video. I love you guys so much. Thank you, and thank you. We hit 10,000 subscribers, and giveaways coming soon. Mwah.